Hi guys, my name Ali, and in this video I want to show you how to install Albert. Yeah, with Albert you can access your apps really easy and fast and open it. You don't need to look for the app because in some tutorial I have seen if they want to open an app they look for the app to open it, but with Albert you can access it easily and very fast. Okay, I think you will like this app when you use it. Okay, let's start installing app. First you have to go to this website. I will put the link in the video. And yeah, because Ubuntu is Debian package, always when you want to install something on Ubuntu it must be Debian package. And to have to install it, first you have to go to this command with the curl. If you don't if your terminal said you don't have, or you don't know the curl, it will be no problem, because the terminal will say, hey, you have to install curl first, and just do it and install it. And after that, just yeah, write this command to add the key, then the repository. You have to add the repository for the downloading Albert. Yeah, then this one and update, and the last one will be installing Albert. Okay, let's start. I open the terminal by Control Alt T. Terminal will be open here. Okay. By pasting in terminal, you always just need Control Shift and V. Yeah, the code will be there. Okay, and because I installed it Albert already, it says that it is already installed and I don't need to do something again. Okay. Okay, we have installed Albert. Now how to use it? First, when you install for the first time Albert, you will see something like that. Okay, in this here there is a hotkey. It means how do you want to open the Albert. I want to open it with control space. Yeah, it means whenever I push control space, Albert will be open and ready. Here you can choose the theme. With which theme do you want to use? I like this color for me. And one of the most important part is the extensions. Here always Albert must access to the applications calculator, or if you want terminal, there is some other choice if you want, but for me now it's enough. Okay, and then close it. I choose to open the Albert by control space. Just I push control space, and yeah, Albert is here. Now I want to open Chrome. I just like something, write Chrome, and yeah, is opened. Then now I want to open terminal. I write terminal, and yeah, it will be open. Anything that you want to open, just write it and it will be there. Control space, and Albert is here. Which apps do you want to open? Just write it and it will be open. Okay, I hope you like these apps and you will, yeah, this video will be useful for you. If yes, please like the video and share it. Thank you for your watching.